Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. So let's get started by mentioning a few little things you can't do on this template. You can't change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the artwork on this template is the cupcake picture and the stars on the sides. The social media icons, the color cannot be changed as well. Everything else on the template can be changed. So you can change the color of the background, the color of the text, the size, and you can also choose a different font if you would like. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. This section is grouped, so if you want to ungroup it, just go to the top right and click ungroup. You can change the color of the line. Let's get rid of this placeholder and upload our logo. This logo has a transparent background, so I'm just going to blend in with whatever color I choose for the background. So this logo has a color background. So what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frames and select the circle. Click on your logo and drag. So now it's going to blend in with the background color. You have the Spanish template below, and on the last page you have your social media icons. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.